Mirror Now has been exhaustively covering the pothole menace in Karnataka, particularly in Bengaluru, and now a 7-year-old girl, Dhavani, daughter of construction labourers from Karnataka's Tipturhas, has offered her services and her savings to Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, urging him to fill up the potholes on the roads. Distraught by a recent accident in Bengaluru in which a 65-year-old specially abled man lost his life, the 7-year-old asked the Chief Minister about the plight of the families who have lost their loved ones to pothole-riddled roads. In 2019, the young girl's mother also met with an accident caused by a pothole, leaving her with a broken leg. Remember, 30th October is the deadline for the Bengaluru civic body to fix potholes in the city. For now, BBMP has stalled the road repair work, citing the monsoons. Neha Hebbale is joining us with more inputs. So, Neha, you've been in the forefront of this coverage, and we've been keeping an eye on the developments on the front of whether the Karnataka government has taken the matter seriously enough. As many as 4 deaths have happened in a period of 2 months, if I remember the statistics correctly, and now a 7-year-old is coming out with an appeal. Tell us more about this, please.
Well, that's absolutely right. We've been seeing how potholes have been possibly the biggest infrastructure challenge that the IT capital of the country, Bengaluru city, has been facing ever since we've been seeing, multiple change of leaderships over here. Each time there is, in fact, change in government, we're seeing that, at least for the past 2 chief ministers, Mr. Basavaraj Bommai and also B.S. Yediyurappa, the Bengaluru development portfolio has remained with them, which has made it rather hard for the city to actually develop. Now, also, let's remind you that even the finance portfolio has been so far largely with the chief ministers itself, again further making this difficult. Now in this case you have the 7-year-old who's actually come forward, and she's pledged all of her savings over here to sort of send a message to the government loud and clear that there are several people losing their lives to potholes. There are many others who are facing accidents on a daily basis, and this young girl too over here had seen it very closely with her own mother, who fractured a leg after she actually had a fall from possibly a vehicle while trying to maneuver a pothole. So having said that, what's unfortunate is that now, while we're seeing that the Karnataka government has been setting deadline after deadline to fill up the potholes, unfortunately, there always seems to be an excuse, and the latest of that being of the rain right now. So we'll have to hope that the government really, pulls up its socks and does what's necessary, because these are tax-paying citizens. And this young girl here, to the appeal that she's made, referring to the chief minister as Tata, which is fondly, of course, known as grandfather over here in Karnataka. And she's put out this emotional video, this heartfelt video, where she's just making an appeal for the roads to be fixed. Now, let's also remind you that the latest deadline that was set for this was October 30th, but the Karnataka government has very openly admitted that they're not going to be setting any more deadlines at all, simply because they're unable to keep up with their own words.
Absolutely, and which is why time and again we have questioned the BBMP on the missed deadlines. This time again, they tried to shirk off responsibility, saying nature is to be blamed. The rains have prevented them from resuming the repair work. Thanks very much for joining us, Neha, with the inputs on the story.